Hello and welcome to a new car boot video on Be Lucky's Car Boot Hunt channel. Welcome to another video. Here we are on a Sunday, May the 14th. We're starting in Amwell and then on to Stanborough. Enjoy.
All right. Yeah. Right. Yeah. Right. Suday, yeah. What's that one? Yeah. I thought you were R45. What is the material? Whatever you want it to be. How much is that? 15, mate.
How much is the cockerel?
Oh, tenner.
And
What's that? Thank you, dear.
okay.
Thank you. How much is your dog?
I wanted 10 each for them. So
I do, alright.
that one's a weighed on, I think that's
Yeah, border fine.
fine, yeah.
Alright, nice.
What if both of them, I'll do you.
Oh, you're a cab driver.
Sorry?
You're a cab driver. You're a cab driver.
Oh yeah, my husband, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, I just ordered myself a new one.
Oh, have you?
Yeah.
Oh.
Mm.
That's a bit better, isn't it, towards you?
Alright, I might come back.
Okay, that's alright.
Then again, I might not.
Yeah, no, don't worry.
You're not going to have any more babies then?
Pardon?
You're
No.
going to
We're done now.
have... you have your golden shot. How much are you selling for?
For what?
The silver crosses.
The two?
Yeah.
I'll do them both for 50.
Okay.
This is brand new, just put this one on today. I haven't
Yeah.
used that one.
Oh.
Yeah.
Hmm. I'll have a think about it.
Alright.
Alright. Thank you. What's that?
Yeah. 250.
How much your bag?
Which one? That one?
Yeah.
£2.
I'll have that one, so.
Yeah?
Thank you.
Thank you. I like the GoPro.
Yeah.
How come you're wearing it here?
What do you mean?
Rent.
Oh, because I vlog car boats. I vlog them. I got my own YouTube channel.
Oh, do you?
Yeah.
Oh.
So you know you're not on it. It's
Can I have 550 change?
it just looks at tables. It doesn't look at people.
Ah.
We don't do people. So
That's clever though, isn't it?
yeah.
Do you have a lot of following?
Well, I haven't. I've got only about just under 2,000. Some go into tens of thousands. Some do.
Really?
Yeah.
Right.
Pick a mix.
Yeah.
Here's a little bit. That feels like a 50. There we
There
go.
you go.
There we go, my lovely.
Cheers, thank you. Yeah.
Yeah, because I saw you last week and I thought, oh, what's he doing?
Yeah. It's called Be Lucky. So check it
I'll
out.
have to have a look.
Your table.
We don't have time to go and have a look round.
Yeah, your table will now be in it. That's what I do. I just throw what I pick up and what I don't pick up. I say I don't want. If I'm just walking past the table, then you'll not go in. But if I buy something or I look at something and I put it in, and they tell me then, oh, you should have picked that up or you should have picked that up. Oh,
What was it? Be lucky?
Be Lucky, yeah. Be Lucky Cardboard Hunt.
I'm going to have to look that up.
Yeah.
Have a follower later.
You never know.
That's appreciate it, my man.
Thank you. Bye now. What's your cup?
It's 5.
Nice. Keep you warm in the winter.
Yeah, they're quite dear. They're about 30 quid in JD.
You take 4?
It's not mine, so
Not yours? Okay.
I've got to take what he asks.
Alright, always.
How much are they?
And that one's 20.
Still got that Thomas gear?
Yeah. Yeah, still got it, yeah. Yeah,
I'd have had a lot off you.
Yeah.
Such a find.
I know. Yeah.
Jeez.
Still in the shed.
Are you going to list it?
Eventually, yeah.
Whereabouts do you live?
Enfield.
I look back at the video. What's your eBay name?
Be Lucky.
Be Lucky, it's on there, yeah,
Yeah.
Be Lucky.
Be Lucky .online sales. Yeah.
Because I want to, I'll probably, if you still got it, I have all of it. For my son.
Yeah.
I'm mental about Thomas.
Well, I am put up yesterday's video up yet then. Found 25 Thomas DVDs. I paid 7 quid.
What?
I paid £7 for them.
Each?
No, for a lot.
Cheers, lad. Thank you.
And I've actually got, I think, touching on about 100 Thomas trains, from magnetic ones going to Thomas and Friends.
Trackmaster, all that stuff.
Trackmasters, yeah. I've got all them. But that Thomas stuff I bought, inside that box is just shitloads of trains.
I remember you showing when you said, there wasn't even like the scale of it, especially when you said that other box as well, with all the other cars and
Yeah,
stuff.
Bob the Builder. I think it's only went for them because I bought 2 Bob the Builders 2 weeks before that and I sold them. And I stuck them for 10 quid and they were gone in a couple of days. And I clocked it, I fucking hell. There's about 50 pieces in there.
Amazing. Your channel's wicked.
I know.
I love it. Anything about?
So far, somebody else got the other one in front of me.
Damn.
But QPR. Yeah, QPR always does well. They're a shit team, but for some reason.
They do well.
Yeah, and then this is a cracker.
Yeah. Feeler.
Yeah,
Classic.
can't go wrong. Another couple of people. Yeah.
Have a good one.
Cheers, mate. Are you here often then?
Every week, yeah.
All right. Once I get it out, I'll let you know. The chairs are here.
For me to sit in.
That's the nicest thing I've seen so far in the Scarborough. The chairs.
We got them from Tesco's last year.
Did you?
Yeah.
What's your shirt?
Bye.
This is in New York.
Three cars, £1 each. 2 for £1.50.
That's the pattern.
All right. Oh, okay.
And there's 5 rolls of it.
How much is it?
I'll take £20 for the lot.
All right. Washable.
Yeah, it's 60 quid a roll normally.
Yeah. How much did you say? £20.
£20 for the 5 rolls.
Hmm. Yeah. Hmm.
They're all the same batch number as well, so.
Oh, okay. All right. Yeah. I might come back. And are you a stickler on a price then?
I've actually lowered it enough, I think.
Yeah, yeah.
No. Just put the air in.
Yeah, look, that's the actual wallpaper. That's what it looks like up, and that's the actual price of it.
So, see, but I feel like being cheeky today. I feel like being cheeky. How about 15?
I'll do it for 18. Meet you part way.
We go 17.50.
Okay then.
Alright.
You are cheeky, very cheeky, but I'll let you get away with that one.
Alright.
Thank you.
If you forgot 250,
No, I'll have to do it at the change.
Alright, okay, no worries. Yeah, if you can, yeah. That's right.
There we go. You got the box as
Yeah.
well.
Oh, lovely. That's even a bonus. Thank you, dear. Cheers. Thank you very much.
You don't need a dartboard for that dartboard case, do you?
No, I don't.
I'm thinking, Christ, you're our perfect customer.
I am, yeah. Oh. How much is that, bud?
£5.
Can I be cheeky?
As in how cheap?
£3.
You know what they're worth, they're almost new.
So should we go halfway then? £4?
Ah, it's a £5 and that.
There you go. You know what? I'll give in this time. I don't like giving in. I think you took an advantage of my good nature.
Lovely.
Yeah, thanks. Thank you. Oh, door stopper, huh?
Yeah, that's right.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Cheers.
Nice meeting you.
Yeah, you too.
Morning. How are you?
Get off the Longhorn!
Gitti patatescilik.
Good work, kid.
How much is it?
8 pound.
Huh?
8.
8.
It's 3 pound. It's 5 pound.
Okay.
What is the 5 pound? If you buy all of them, I give 15 pound. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay. Alright. Okay, thank you. I will buy none. How much are your cups?
Which ones?
Your Costa.
Costa cups.
You got a shopping list there?
Yeah, well, yeah, because
Huh?
I'm just looking after the stall, so £10 for
£10, okay. Yeah, nice. Alright, alright, thank you.
Sorry? Hornby. Double O, yeah.
Double O.
Yeah, I'll have that one.
That one, you want?
How much are your Wellingtons?
£10.
Okay. How much you choose? Did you say 15? 50. Alright. How much is your tripod?
10. A single one there as well.
How much is that? £10.
What was that one?
Probably 5. Same problem.
You take 10 for 2?
12.
Yeah, if you offer 10.
10, yes. Right, go on. I'll give it 2 quid. No. It's another piece of shit that I ain't got to take home.
How much is it?
That is £50.
50.
50, yes, fine. Thank you very much.
Thanks.
Thank you. Okay.
Cheers.
Is it modern stuff here? It's your old stuff as well.
That's just like photography stuff.
I've got a box here of old photographic stuff.
Alright.
You hang on.
Let's have a look. Sorry. Sorry, mate, sorry.
Try this, let's try.
Alright. Alright, no, that's a bit. How much is the Canon?
Which is the Canon?
The blue box.
That one?
Oh, that's the
Oh
booklet.
no, it's just a booklet, yeah.
Alright.
No, it's all, well, you've got developers,
this meters.
Alright.
That's an air meter or something.
Let's get this box out of the way here. And then put that box up here, and I can have a look at it.
It's probably not a good cameras actually.
I'll have a rummage.
I think they're actually electrical meters.
Yeah.
Camera set.
Yeah.
Nice meters, isn't there?
Yeah.
What did I say? 10. Let's go for 10. Let's get early.
40.
45, both.
Yeah, it's open.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, there you go.
Is it the bottom one?
I think that's one there.
Oh, there you go. That's another meter.
Another meter. Give a man a meters.
What have we got? No, yeah.
No?
45. Come on.
That's why we're here.
I'm hungry.
Yeah, so am I. That's why I'm here.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Cheers.
How much is your guitar?
25.
Alright. Okay. Good. How much is your bag?
Do it for 15.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah, £2 then. That's it.
What's that?
£4.
3?
Brand new. I've never used. Sealed up.
Let's have a look. 1, 2, 3. There you go.
Thank you.
4. Thank you. Oh, how much are bookends?
Come prepared. Literally.
How much are bookends?
£1.
Have you? I was going to say, do you want a £5 note? Oh no, I've got a £5 note. Oh, no, it's alright. It's okay. I thought I had a £5 note. I was just giving you all my change. No, it's alright. Sorry, dear. Oh, okay.
Is a motorbike insurance comparison site from NCN. Biking specialists. If you ride, insure it for the experts. At NCN,
How much is your scarf?
£1, mate.
Ever feel like you're falling free your mobile data? Your property's towards your limit, and when you hit, it won't be pretty. But not with the With stay connected data, you can keep using essential apps like WhatsApp and Maps even when you
Both
run
the same price, £1 each.
Okay.
to make your data go further.
Right. You got change?
I've got change, of course, yeah, mate.
How much is that?
That is a £5, it's brand new.
Okay.
Being a full-time mum, and if you're busy like me, you can't be slowed down by a comfortable footwear with no
5, 6, 7, 8.
You take 3 foot?
I need effective light fit footwear.
Blue shoes are £3. Sorry?
You take 3 foot?
Nah.
Okay. That was a very strong no.
Very strong, mate, yeah. It's brand new, look, it's never been used.
Yeah.
It's never been out of the box. If it had been open, yeah, I'd say 3, but it is.
Yeah. It is what it is. It is what it is. Yeah, it is what it is.
Sorry, I didn't have it.
No, I was just talking to the same side.
I didn't think you had it.
Yeah, no, I heard you. I'm getting to you, I'm getting to you.
Oh, that wasn't me, rude.
I don't want you.
After I told you how dodgy that
I do not want them even if they're nice.
Alright, thank you very much. Have a good day now. Oh. How much are your trainers?
Which one today? Blue one's £3.
See? So how much you do the tool for?
2? Well, but I do it both for £7. I'm not a quid off.
Jeez, you're all cart.
Don't make a living, mate.
I know. How much do you mug?
£2.50. Never seen a mug so big. That's bigger than Sports Direct ones, I think.
Yeah. Alright. Let me give you a £5 back.
Cheers. Thank you.
It's alright. Right, and there's 2.
Cheers, bless you, mate. Thank you.
Thank you.
You have a good day, mate, alright?
Oh, that's Steve.
How you doing? You
Yeah,
alright?
not bad.
Too many buyers here today, isn't it?
Yeah.
I think everywhere else is closed up.
First week, yeah.
So they've all come in.
Has Dunton started up yet then?
And then the following Sunday they closed because it was pouring rain. It was too wet.
Yeah.
So I'm not sure if it's up to date. I know Boreham was on, but I'm
Yeah.
not sure if Scotland's on.
I think for Boreham to cancel it, I mean, it's going to be a gale force wind.
Yeah, true.
I mean, literally, I mean, it's got to be, he's got to be swamped for him to cancel.
They've cancelled the Cuffley, didn't they? There was Cuffley
Yeah,
after
next
this,
week, yeah.
but I'm not in.
That's
I'm
one of the
on the early
mothers.
shift.
Yeah, he's had an operation apparently. How much is your 007 Playmobil?
Pardon, sorry.
How much is your 007 Playmobil?
£10 for that.
Alright, thank you. Is it complete?
Yes, I think so. Do you have a look?
Yeah, let's have a look. I've never seen one before.
Yes, it's all full there.
Okay, alright. Is that your best price?
Yes, yeah, I can't go any lower.
You can go to 8.
I can't go any lower.
You can't go to 8. Right. Well, I'll buy it off you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Get change.
Cheers. It was at this point he didn't have any change, so I switched the camera off to get some change, and I forgot to switch it back on again. In the meantime, I bought this picture for £5, and it's an England World Cup winners 1966 limited edition, and it's quite high up in the edition numbers. You know, it's one of those where you print off. It's not a one of a kind, but I can't find anything to compare it with. But for a £5, I thought, well, you know, that's worth a gamble. What's this one?
£15.
Okay. Minuutta. And that was Amwell. So hope you enjoyed that. Stay tuned. We now move over to Stanborough Lakes car boat in Hartfield. Stay tuned to the end if you want to see pickups and valuations. How much is your guitar?
20.
Okay.
15 for the whole lot.
How much are your goggles?
How much was that blanket? Sorry, miss.
How much are they?
That one is £40. It's brand new.
Let me take only the boots.
No, they're 15 so. Still got the loads of one.
There you go.
Yeah, for the bed, the sofa.
Oh.
No. I'll do 30. No, 30. 30, no. It's 100 £100. It's never been used.
Don't laugh, they actually get people like this going around. The problem is, I can't just understand this. No problem.
How much is this?
We want 60 quid for it, really.
Okay.
Sort of stuck it out because
Yeah.
it was in the way.
Yeah, nice. Lovely bit of equipment. Alright.
Okay.
Thank you. How much are your skis? How much are your skis?
The skis, £10 per pair.
How much is your Hoover?
The Hoover. £8?
Yeah, I love the Hoover.
Yeah.
Is it working?
Yeah, all working. No, probably not.
Thank you.
Have a lovely morning.
Thank you.
Oh, yeah, you can put them with those.
Looks like. Is yours? Is that yours or theirs?
No, it's hers.
How much are your t-shirts?
quid.
Thank you. Lovely. Take down your total balls.
Hello, Manny. How are you? Cheers.
Oh, look. Excellent. What to do then?
You got that orange one?
Yeah.
How is it? Tea lights, yeah.
And it can be on the table. It's different.
Yeah, nice. I like this stuff.
What's that?
I think we've only had them out.
There you go.
Yeah.
There you go. That's right.
Thank you.
Oh, okay.
Do the seat, is it too tight for you?
How much are Wellingtons?
How much are the
Wellingtons?
£2?
Yeah, have them.
They are cracked. That's before you take them away.
That's right, yeah.
The rubber's perishing. I'm not too sure. They're like, see what I mean?
No, that's normal.
Yeah, is that alright?
Yeah, that's normal. There you go.
Cheers.
No, you're doing. How much your ice bucket?
I was asking 12 quid.
Were you?
Yeah, let's see what people charge for them. I'm going to try it. If someone's, I said 12 to someone else, they're going to see about it. But
right.
yeah,
okay.
I'm trying. If not, I'll put it online.
Yeah, no problem. No problem. No, we're way out.
Where are you at on it?
5.
No. Tell you what, check me at the end of the day. But
I will. Yeah, I'll check back in. What's your camera?
No, partner, put price on that.
Oh, 5, alright, okay. Alright, that was the end of Stanborough. I mean, 3 items bought. Very poor. Plenty of cars, just nothing here. But that's how it goes sometimes. That's it for this week. Oh, whenever this video comes out, because I'm a bit behind in my videos. But anyway, until the next one, take care and be lucky. Let's see what all this stuff is worth. Thanks for watching. See you on the next car boot hunt video.